Are you a mom who absolutely loves being home with your kids? You have chosen to be a stay-at-home mom and you absolutely love it and you would choose it over and over and over again, but you also miss the days that you were earning your own income, or you just want to earn your own income. You haven't and you want to. There is a way, and it doesn't necessarily have to be network marketing. Not knocking network marketing. Network marketing can be great, but the commission structure of network marketing is such that you make a sale and you only make a percentage of the profit. I have found digital marketing and I've only been doing it for a little over 2 weeks, and already in less than 2 weeks, I have already made a 4-figure income in 2 weeks. The reason it works is because, one, it teaches you how to spend all day. You don't need to spend all day doing it. It teaches you exactly what to do in a 2-hour workday that you can spread throughout your whole day if you need to, copying and pasting some ads, creating 3 pieces of content on social media. Here's the thing. When you put something on social media, it's just on there forever. So somebody can come back to it 2 months later and it's still there and be interested in what you're doing. And the biggest thing for me was the technology was all automated. I didn't want to learn, knew that it would take me forever to create a website or set emails or create a funnel. And this technology is all done for you. And this is what has allowed me to earn an income from home while I am with my kids and earn 4 figures in just 2 weeks. If this sounds like something you're interested in, comment me and I am more than happy to share with you.